Auckland, BBC Midlands today. Firefighters are tackling a big fire at a house in Birmingham. The house on Harborne Road in Edgeramston is close to the city's botanical gardens. It broke out at around 9 o'clock. The house is thought to be empty. Police investigating the murder of a Worcestershire pensioner believe she was struck several times.